Alright, this is what I do for work as I'm in trade school for HVAC. I'm not in the industry yet job-wise because I'm still saving up for a car. And although I'm not in the industry yet, I still want to gain experience in some other categories like communication with customers. Working here at this equipment store in my local area and coming into contact with other tradesmen and homeowners and seeing how some interactions will be has been a great experience for me. And as someone who works in sales at this store, I am frontlining that experience. I sell equipment like air compressors, pressure washers, generators, chainsaws, and scaffolding. And over time, as I'm selling this equipment, I kind of learn about them. And that's great for me. Like here, the experience with tanks, just knowing what size tanks these are, 1, 2, 3, 4, just the small things that add to my brain. The more you know, the more you're worth. And this is me heading home with nice skies, and that's just beautiful, man.